Hi there, students. An elephant in the room. Okay, this is an idiom that means not to talk about something that is obvious. So when everybody in the room is trying to avoid talking about some important matter that nobody wants to talk about it, nobody wants to broach the matter. Yeah, clearly there was an elephant in the room. Nobody wanted to talk about this matter. So, yeah, maybe when people pretend that nothing is wrong, you know, this thing with the Brits, yeah, everything's okay, everything's fine. Yeah, but they're not talking about the elephant in the room, the fact that maybe one of them is dying or something like that. Yeah, this is avoiding um, a subject that, well, it's just obvious that it needs to be talked about. The air needs to be cleared about this thing. Okay, so yeah, clearly there's an elephant in the room. Yeah, everybody's avoiding talking about the elephant in the room. I guess this is probably a fairly common thing with human beings to avoid talking about things that upset you a bit. Yeah, so, well, I think probably at the end of the day it's better to talk directly about the elephant in the room, and like that you get to clear the air. Okay, so can you think of a situation where there's been an elephant in the room? Or maybe when the press have been told not to talk about something. Yeah, maybe that's where there's another case of an elephant in the room. Okay, so an elephant. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Oh, I haven't done the formality. An elephant in the room. I think I'm going to give it something like a 4 in formality. Use it informally, semi-formal conversation. You could just about use it in a semi-formal writing. So, enough. Bye for now.